And now your weather with meteorologist Gino Recchia.
Another summer warmth day out there. Crazy to think that in about last 2.5, 3 weeks, we were talking about 40, some frost, and now we're almost feeling like we're in the middle of July. But some cooler weather's on the way, and you can see that dividing line. We had highs in the mid 80s across northeast Wisconsin, but off towards the northwest, we have temperatures in the upper 60s, and that's that cooler air that is going to be working its way in here. The temperature outlook from the Climate Prediction Center does show slightly cooler average weather moving in, but around average if we take a course over the next 7 days. We'll have some above average days and some below average days, and that's what it's showing. When our normal high should be in the upper 60s, we'll be getting into right around the mid 60s to the upper 70s over the course of the next week. Today started off with some cloudy weather, and then we gradually turned over into some sunshine by the late morning and early afternoon, and it's been really hard to come by to see a single cloud in the sky, especially in the afternoon hours. A beautiful day, and this warm weather has really caused the trees and all the vegetation to come alive. We have the cold front, however, that is going to be pushing away those 80s and those 90s that we saw in the last 2 days, and we are going to get down into the 70s as we head into tomorrow. A slight chance of a shower or storm from that cold front that's going to move in overnight tonight. Not expecting anything severe, as you can see. Just a general thunderstorm outlook is expected. Our skycast does show this little weak boundary moving across later tonight around 9:30, 10 o'clock. A few light rain showers and maybe a rumble of thunder, and this will continue to the mid-overnight hours, about 3 o'clock or so. As we get into the morning tomorrow, we'll have a mixture of sun and cloud cover. It should be a dry day, but just a mixture of sun and clouds. Farther down to the south late tomorrow night, however, maybe might get scraped with some light rain showers as an area of low pressure passes well down to the south, and our far southern parts of the viewing area could get scraped with a little bit of light rain. But we'll take some dry weather considering some heavy rains that occurred up into the north woods in the last 48 hours. We do have 2 flood warnings in Oconto and Marinette County. The Peshigo River in Marinette County right now with minor flooding. It's 2 feet above flood stage and will continue to be in minor flooding for the next couple of days. In Oconto, we are about a foot above flood stage with minor flooding being reported right now across the riverbank. So we'll take some dry weather. Closer look once again does show a little bit of these light little rain showers and isolated thunderstorms moving in overnight. And then we do start to quiet things out as we get into tomorrow morning. So for tonight, we'll cool off to 56, an isolated shower storm possible. Northwest winds 5 to 10 miles per hour. And as we head into tomorrow, getting up to 74, mostly cloudy to partly cloudy skies. Winds coming in out of the west at 5 to 10 miles per hour. It'll be a nice, comfortable end to the weekend with some dry weather. 70 on Monday, starting off dry, but maybe a sprinkle in the late afternoon or evening. Temperatures in the upper 60s before rebounding to 78 on Thursday.
Still ahead tonight, we highlight a feature at the Milwaukee